What is glass? When we think about glass, we think that it is something transparent which breaks easily. But this is not enough to define glass. If you want to be more precise, glass is a non-crystalline material. In other words, it is an amorphous material. The term amorphous comes from the ancient Greek word amorphe and means without form or shape. This means that glass structure is not ordered and that the position of its atoms are not regular. The properties of glass, such as, for example, transparency, brittleness, and insulation, depend, of course, from this particular structure. Most of the glasses are composed by silica, which can be found, for example, in sand. But other components can be added to the glass composition in order to obtain glasses with the desired properties, depending on the final use. As you know, glass is an important material for our everyday life. For drinking within a glass, the windows of our homes and cars are made of glass. In art and for custom jewelry, glass is widely used, and so on. But glass can have interesting applications even in medicine. I'm thinking about bioactive glasses. But what are bioactive glasses? Bioactive glasses are a special group of glasses which are characterized by the so-called bioactivity. Glasses are bioactive if they are able to bond with living human tissues and to stimulate the regeneration of such tissues. How? Degrading and releasing some of their components, in details some metallic ions, when they are in contact with human tissues after being implanted in the diseased tissue. So the glass surface reacts with human fluids, and this chemical reaction brings to the formation of an hydroxyapatite-like layer on the glass surface. This interface layer is very important because the hydroxyapatite forms the mineral part of our bone. Moreover, the released ions can interact with human tissues and influence the behavior of their cells. These ions can have properties such as stimulation of growth of new tissue or even antibacterial effect, like in case of silver, copper, or zinc. But how are produced these so interesting glasses? Two methods are possible. The first one is the melting quenching. Glass precursors are in form of powders. They are mixed together very well and then they are melted in a crucible that is often a platinum crucible. When the furnace reaches the temperature of 100 degrees, the lid of the crucible is removed. When the furnace reaches the melting temperature, which depends on the type of glass, the melted precursors are casted. Now we can see the casting in a mold for the production of glass bars. The bar is then put in a second furnace at lower temperature. This thermal treatment is needed to make the glass bar stronger and less brittle. Later, the bar can be cut in small discs, so it's easier to study our new glass. If we need the glass in form of powders, we can cast in water. This is a glass frit. It can be ground in order to have glass powders. The second technique is the salt gel. In this case, the main glass precursors are in form of liquid. This is the salt, made of a mixture of glass precursors and solvents, such as water and ethanol. The salt is converted in a gel. The addition of a catalyst such as an ammonia solution accelerates the formation of the gel. Now we have our bioactive glass and we can use it for bone regeneration. Thank you for your kind attention.